Hey there, gents. Today, I'm diving into a topic that affects many of us, but doesn't get talked about enough: erectile dysfunction. If you've been looking for a solution, you might want to stick around, because Eroxon could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Eroxon is a topical gel you apply to the head of your penis right before getting intimate. Sounds simple, right? Well, it is. Studies show that 65% of men who used Eroxon achieved an erection within just 10 minutes and kept it long enough to enjoy sex. That's pretty impressive. So how do you use it? Eroxon comes in single-use tubes. Just rub the gel onto the head of your penis for about 15 seconds before you get busy. It's that straightforward, no doctor visits or prescriptions required. Yep, you heard that right. Eroxon is the first over-the-counter ED treatment approved in the United States. Now, let's get a bit scientific here. Eroxon works by combining volatile solvents that evaporate quickly once applied, creating a cooling effect, followed by a warming sensation. This stimulates the nerve sensors in the glans penis, causing the natural release of nitric oxide. What does that mean for you? It means increased blood flow and a firm, lasting erection, all thanks to a little gel. But remember, Eroxon is specifically for men dealing with ED. If that's not you, it's best to give this one a miss. You might be wondering about side effects. Eroxon is generally well tolerated, but like any treatment, it's not without its quirks. About 3% of men reported headaches, and a small number of men and their partners experienced a localized burning sensation. Nothing too scary, but it's good to be aware. So, where can you get your hands on Eroxon? You can find it at pharmacies, big retail stores like Walmart or Walgreens, and even online. And the cost? Roughly $30 USD, depending on where you shop. In summary, Eroxon is making waves as a revolutionary treatment for ED. It's easy to use, works quickly, and doesn't require a prescription. If ED is something you're grappling with, Eroxon might just be the solution you've been looking for. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on men's health. Take care and stay confident.